Okay, so this is your activity number 7. You will be doing a mood board. So mood board is like a digital scrapbook, but since we're going to use a cork board for your activity, this is an example of a mood board. Okay, so this is a type of visual presentation or collage consisting of images, text, and samples of objects in a composition. Okay, start based using this cork board. You can download your own cork board if you want to. You can use any pictures for your work. Okay, so first is I will be opening photos first that I will be using for my cork board or for my mood board. So 1, 2, and then 3, and then 4. So I will be using 4 pictures for my cork board there. So I will just drag it in here. You can use any photo that you want for your mood board. So it depends on you. What photo would you like to use? Okay, so I will be closing the picture that is already. So it depends on you how are you going to design your own board. Okay, there, and then you just have to include some objects that will make it more look nice and attractive. So you can download some of the objects from the internet. Okay, so this is mandala on the left. So I want to include that in a mood board. Okay, there. Then apply. Just close it. And then I'll open again. So if you have objects already, you can use those objects for your mood board. For example, this one. Okay, just use the magic wand to select the background and then go to select and then inverse so that you will be selecting the image, and then you drag it going to your corkboard. Okay, and then if you can see that there are some white space or white background still on the images, you can still use the magic wand to select and then delete. Okay, select the white and then delete. So I'm clicking it from the keyboard, the delete key there. Okay, So if I want to resize, okay, just remove the selection first, okay, and then use move tool to resize your work. So if you want to transfer it, it's up to you, okay. So what if you want to put here? So it depends on you where you would like to put some of the graphics, okay. I'll open again. Select and then inverse, and then use move tool to transfer. Okay, that's how. File, open. Okay, use magic wand. Select the background. Go to select, inverse, and then click move tool to transfer. Okay, so that's how. Okay, so I will be closing some pictures here that I will need it. So here, so for example, this one, and here, since I want to use it. So in short, kailangan kunin nyo yan girls, ha? Okay, yung corkboard. So, and then magic wand, and then inverse, then move tool, and then drag it. Here. Okay. So there. You can resize it, or you can flip it like this. Okay. And then you can transfer it. Okay. You can also use this one, for example. Okay, you can use lasso tool or magnetic lasso tool or polygon lasso tool, but in my case I will be using lasso tool because I want a quick selection. Okay, okay, and then move. Okay. Then I will not remove any because it's nice to look at. You can also put some features here. Let's try this one. Okay, so for example, a clock. Okay, so let's remove first some of the pictures. Natapos na. Use magic wand and select inverse and then drag it. you want to add some flowers, same strategy. Okay, by the way, if your picture has like this, for example, when you click the magic wand and you were not able to select the other parts or the other white space, you just click shift key, okay, from the keyboard, and then click the other white parts, okay, and then go to select inverse, click move tool, and then move. Okay, so that's how. And if you want, because I want to duplicate that, so I will click alt key and then drag and then flip, and then I'll put it here. So this side, and then I'll put it here. There. Okay. So it's a matter of creativity on your work. Okay. So select using the magic wand. Okay. Select inverse, go to move tool, and then drag. So you see, okay, you can easily make this one. Maybe I'll put it here. Okay, you can resize and put it here. Okay, and then okay, you can still make more, and you can still add more object on your mood board. Okay, so if you want, you can still add more to work on your mood board. Now, if you're planning to add masking tape, if you want to, you can add shape. Okay, this one, the rectangle tool. Okay, then create a shape, and then don't forget to change its color. So just use brown one. Okay, the brown color, and then to put the color on it, you can use paint bucket tool. Color this, but since the square is not a rasterized layer, so you have to go to the layer palette, right click, and then rasterize it. Okay, so that when you use the paint bucket, you can now change the color of the square. So that's how you change its color. You have to rasterize first the object before you can put or change its color. And then you can use the brush tool. Okay, and then choose brushes for your side effect. Okay, so I will be using this one, precise, and then I will just erase. Okay, I'll be using eraser tool. Change again the brush tool, and then I will just erase the sides of the square so that it will look like masking tape. Okay, and then just flip and then move it. Okay, and then just use opacity tool, okay, to lighten the color. Okay, so that's how. And then just resize it. Okay, there. You can adjust the opacity if you want. Okay, so that's how. And then you may now copy alt and then drag. You can do it